Why does suffering seem so intolerable in our modern world? Our culture teaches us that life is all about happiness and self-fulfillment. So when pain comes, it feels like a complete interruption in our lives. But what if suffering isn't an interruption in God's plan? What if it's often the place where his plan unfolds most deeply? I'm Jared Luchabor, and I invite you to a 3-part series on MarsCast, where I sat down with Reverend Paul Ipema to talk about suffering. We'll explore the theology of the cross, how Jesus suffered with us, and learn how lament and hope shape how we walk through the furnace of this life. Because the same Christ who walked through the fire with his people still walks with you today. This is MarsCast. Subscribe wherever you listen to your podcasts.